Most videos you see online are lying to you. They show you screenshots of people making thousands of dollars a day, but they never show you the actual steps behind the screen. So if you are a teenager watching this, you are probably wondering one thing. Is this actually real, or is it all fake? Let me be real with you. You are not going to make $10,000 overnight. But can you make your first $25 online? Yes, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 real ways teenagers are using right now to do it step by step. And the best part? You don't need money to start, you don't need experience, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. But here's the key. Don't try to do all 5, just pick one and start. Let's get into the first one. Method 1 is very simple, adding captions to videos. Right now, short videos are everywhere: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and creators need help making their videos more engaging. That's where you come in. All you need is a free app like CapCut or Blink on your phone. Here's exactly what you do. Go on TikTok or Instagram and find small creators who are growing. Check their bio and look for their email. Send them a short message and offer to turn one of their videos into a short clip for free. Once they send you the video, open it in CapCut, tap Auto Captions, and let the app generate the text. Make the words big, bold, and easy to read. Highlight a few important words so they stand out. Export the video. That's it. This takes about 10 minutes. Now here's where you make money. After they see your work, you charge them around $12 per video. If you get just 2 clients sending you videos daily, you've already hit your $25. And most people are not doing this yet. Now the next method is even simpler. Method 2 is digital product flipping. This means you create something once and sell it again and again. Go to Canva and create a free account. Search for things like study planners, gym trackers, or resume templates. Pick one and change the colors, text, and layout so it looks different. Then download it as a PDF. Next, upload it to a platform like Etsy, Stan Store, or Gumroad. Give it a clear title like Student Study Planner or Simple Resume Template and price it at $5. Now here's the powerful part. Once someone buys it, the platform sends it automatically. You don't do anything else. No shipping, no stress. Just 5 sales gets you to $25. Now before we move on, quick reality check. Your first goal is not to get rich. Your first goal is to make your first $1. Because once that happens, everything changes. Now this next method is one of the easiest ways to start. Method 3 is microtask data labeling. It sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. Big AI companies need people to help them check and improve their systems. So they pay you to do small tasks. You sign up on platforms like Remotasks, Outlier, or Toloka. After a short test, you'll see tasks like choosing which image looks better or fixing simple sentences. Each task takes less than 2 minutes. You just click, choose, and move on. The pay is small per task, but it adds up. If you spend 1 to 2 hours, you can build up to your first $25. And most people don't even know this exists. Now this next method can make you money faster. Method 4 is selling templates to local businesses. Businesses want to look good online, but they don't have time to design posts. So you help them. Pick one type of business, for example, real estate. Go to Canva and design simple Instagram post templates. Make about 10 designs where they can easily change text and images. Then go to Google Maps and search for real estate agents in your area. Open their Instagram pages. Send them a message and show them a sample. Tell them you've created templates to help them save time and look more professional. Offer the full bundle for $25. You only need 1 sale to hit your daily goal. Just one. Now the final method is the most powerful long-term. Method 5 is faceless content creation. This is how people are building income without showing their face. Create a TikTok page or YouTube channel in a niche like motivation, history, or money. Use ChatGPT to write a short script. Use a free AI voice tool to turn it into audio. Then combine it with free videos from sites like Faceless using an editing app. Post consistently. As your videos start getting views, you add links in your bio. When people click and buy, you earn commissions. This won't make money instantly. But if you stay consistent, this can grow into something much bigger than $25 a day. Now let me tell you the most important thing in this entire video. Stop focusing on making $25 a day. Focus on making your first $1. That $1 proves this is real. It changes how you think. And once you reach that point, making more becomes easier. Most people never make money online for one reason. They don't start. They watch videos, they save ideas, but they never take action. Meanwhile, someone else starts with zero experience and figures it out step by step. If you're 16, you have a huge advantage. You have time. You can learn faster. And you can try things without pressure. So choose one method. Stick to it. Improve every day. And before you leave this video, I want you to do one thing. Comment the word START if you're serious about making your first dollar online. Don't just watch. Take action. Because your first dollar is closer than you think. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead.